Hi, my name is Philiotronic. In this video I'll show you how you can tightest knots with something better than a Leatherman with some tapes on it. That's not a good solution. The iteration would be to use something like this. It's a 3D printed part from Thingiverse that can be used to screw those in, but as you can already see, they scatter really quickly. The wall thickness is not good enough and not thick enough, and those break really quickly. You can see it just breaks. The next step besides the tool is to have it power it. Thank you. That you can power it with a screwdriver. That's why I have ordered this here. Now let's have a look inside. Let me remove those really quick. And what do we have here inside? We have... Oh, who doesn't love it?
A few moments later.
Those are the new helpers. Compared to this one, we have now a way more stable, thicker wall thickness, and beside of that we have also this nut. Now we are able to power this directly with a power drill. Now if I want to screw the potentiometer in, I can simply excuse me, right there, and just screw it in nice and tight. We have a small one and we have a big one. This one is for the small drivers, and if you have those here, you can also use the big diameter right here, no problem. And if you have a small driver, you just use this one.